So let's chat about break views. So what a break view does is shorten a really long part so that you can see more of the detail you need. So we're going to be using this week on this drawing. We've got a pin here with some kind of tiny features. If we drew the pin full size, it would be really narrow and we wouldn't be able to dimension this clearly. So let me show you what this would look like without a break view and what it looks like with a break view. So I'm just going to place this view and I'll make it the same scale as the break view to show you how much bigger it would be. Now this is, not the biggest part ever, but imagine you had a part that was the size of like a baseball bat. It would be difficult to fit on a drawing. So here's the same scale. As you can see, it would not fit in this area we have allotted for it, right? So we could shorten it. I can make the scale way smaller. So say it's a 1-to-1 scale, right? We could definitely fit it in this same area, but it would be very difficult to get dimensions in here. See how big the dimension is compared to the part. So hopefully I've convinced you that break views are helpful. So let me show you how to make one real quick. I've gotten rid of the break view I had. You see how much room this takes up. All you do, go to the drawing tab, break view, as you might have guessed. You're going to select the drawing view to break view on, and you'll select one side and then the other, right? And it'll shorten the part. Now you can choose different break view styles, right? It depends on your company standards. I like the jagged lines. They work pretty good. And you can choose the gap size, so depending on how much space you have in the drawing. So that's all there is to it. You just click OK. They can be a little tricky to edit. So to get rid of one, you'll hover over it and you'll see those two squiggly lines. You can double click and that'll let you edit it if you need to. Same if you need to delete it. The big thing is wait for those squiggle lines. If you just have, like right now, there's a little block there. Hover, squiggle lines, you can click it and you can make adjustments. Okay, so that's all I have to say about the break view. I hope that's helpful for this assignment.